Alright guys, so I figure out yung mga accessories and according dito sa manual, you could see na okay naman yung manual nila, malinaw naman, hindi naman sala-sala yung translation. So you could see kung nasan yung mga ports and everything and buttons, and then yung mga accessories kanina, you need to combine those para magamit nyo sa isang specific sa isang specific parang na gawin nyo. Like this one on the helmet. If you want to sa taas, and if you want yung isa pa dun sa side naman na helmet. And then, these are the combinations ng mga accessories na gamitin nyo para magamit nyo. Like this one, for the bike mount, para sa waist, sa belt, and then sa car mount. But, I don't have this charger, so I need to buy this one. Wala tayo dito, pero don't worry, it's very affordable lang sa CDR King or sa iba pa. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the accessories na included. Hindi ko na sasama lahat kasi medyo matagal, but what I have here is yung sa belt mount. So I just need to put the camera here. Ayan, so automatically maglalak na siya. Ayan, so we have here yung thread kung gusto niyo lagay sa tripod, and then on nyo, turn it on, and then so wait lang. Alright, so you just need to slide yung clip, then there we go. We have a clip para sa action camera nyo that you could put in your waist or kung saan man na gusto nyo ilagay, as long as pwede nyo i-clip, although medyo baka matanggal yung clip, so medyo alala kayo. Pero ang pinaka main na gamit ng yung pinaka useful talaga sa kanilang lahat is yung waterproof na case, which is lalagay natin, off ko muna. Alright, so lalagay natin yung action camera dito, and then yan, so yan, wait lang, and then mali, wait lang. So, medyo confusing siya in slide. Then, kailangan nyo muna ganito. Then, yan. There we go. Nakalock na siya. So, sealed na sealed siya. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi papasok dyan ng tubig. And then, these silver buttons dito ay yung para sa controls niya. So, I need to turn that on. Hold ko lang to. Yan. There we go. So, it's on. And then, no card. Oh, yeah. Nandun yung card ko. Wala siyang kasamang micro SD card slot, so micro SD card, so you have to provide your own. But don't worry, madali lang naman maghanap. And then as you could see, ito na yung waterproof camera. Well, tatanggalin natin yung plastic para hindi pangit. Ayan. So as you could see, there's the waterproof case, and if gusto niyo ng monopod for that, bibili pa tayo. Unfortunately, wala tayong kasamang monopod dun sa sa action camera, but yan. So, I need to remove again this one. So, I'm gonna show you guys yung action camera, kung ano ba meron sa loob. So, madali na siya tanggalin. So, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off. So, I got the black one, and this, ito naman, 1080p, nakikita nyo naman, but you could record at 720p at 60 frames per second. There's the power button, the camera, the wide, 170 degrees wide angle camera. Sa taas, we got an LED notification, LED, para pag binuksan nyo. I guess it's also, no, it's not the battery, it's on, yeah, there we go. So, nandito yung battery niya sa interface, which is, yan, so nakikita nyo yung battery doon. So, I guess this is not the battery. So, we have here the shutter button or the OK button. We have here the up and down button sa side. Also, the speaker grill or the microphone. Then, dito yung battery niya. There we go. We have here another LED. So, pag charge nyo sa mag-iilaw tong nasa baba. We also have a micro HDMI port and a micro USB port sa side. And then, let's check out the interface. So, it's very easy. The user interface is very user-friendly. So, as you could see, nandito tayo sa may no card. So, I'm gonna press the power button nandito sa unahan. And then, it will change to camera mode. Then, the playback mode. And the menu. So, sa menu, makikita nyo, unfortunately, medyo maliwanag yung display. We have here the resolution. Then, I'm gonna press this one. Baba. So, as you could see, the resolution, 1080p, 720p, and VGA, I set it at 720p. So, yan. Okay. Then, you could also use this one as a para motion detector camera, motion detect, but I doubt na gamitin yan. The video time, which is up to 10 minutes. Voice recording, taasan natin yung exposure for yan, tinasan ko with lock, unlock, delete, volume, format, language, auto off, LCD off, system reset, light frequency, yan, so 60 Hz, date input, yan, it's okay. And so version v1.0. So I've tried it a while ago, although hindi ko pa masyadong na-try ito, and so far, malayo yung difference ng quality ng images and video compared sa GoPro. Kasi, syempre, affordable lang to. Hindi ganong kaganda yung quality. But again, this one is very, very affordable at 2,500 pesos. I'm sorry. So, if you just want an action camera that you could use, siguro, so, casual lang for swimming, for whatever na activities na light lang. So, you could opt for this one. It's available at Lazada for 2,500 pesos. So yeah, I guess that's it sa unboxing and hands-on ng HDD V1080p 12 megapixel sports camera. So yeah, see you guys again on my next video.